Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about how it's possible to earn over $2,000 a month without having no selling, no recruiting, and pretty much no effort at all. Now what am I talking about? I'm talking about the Live Good business opportunity. Now, if you haven't heard of Live Good yet, it is an affiliate marketing / network marketing opportunity that people are joining like crazy. All right, like thousands of people are joining Live Good every day. Now, there is one thing about Live Good that a lot of people are talking about, and some people like talking about it, some people don't like talking about this, but we're gonna get to the bottom of it right now. And that is that when you watch the presentation video of Live Good, when you take the tour, one thing that you're going to notice is the owner says, hey, there's actually a way that you can earn over $2,000 a month without having to bring one person into the company, without having to get selling any products, right? All you need to do is just stay a member of Live Good, and you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month. Now, some people took this and they're like, they joined there and all they heard was, if I sign up for Live Good, I get $2,000 a month. So you got a whole bunch of dumbasses who literally signed up for Live Good, and like a month later, they were like, I'm quitting. I ain't get $2,000. This is a scam. What is this, right? But the problem is these people did not listen, right? They didn't listen to how they could actually get to the point where they're earning over $2,000 every single month. And how this is possible is because the more people that join Live Good, the more people that become members, they have to go underneath current members of Live Good, right? So everybody who joins, 6 months from now are going to be going under the people that are members today, like myself, and potentially could be you. All right, so everybody who's a member of Live Good and who is an active affiliate, for every person that's underneath them, they earn money. And there's a certain amount of spots that each person has that must be filled underneath them. Okay, so once those spots are filled with members of Live Good, then once it's filled, then the next members, they have to keep going under someone, right? And this is called spillover. All right, when you get a lot of members, they have to go somewhere. So if you are somebody, say for example, who joins today, Live Good, and say you don't do anything, right? You don't promote, you don't do anything, although you should, but just say you didn't for whatever reason. And you just sat there and you kept your $9.95 monthly membership, which is very affordable. Just say you kept that. Over time, as more and more people join Live Good, it might take 6 months, it might take a year, it might even take 2 years from now. But as long as you kept your spot, eventually, as long as people are constantly joining Live Good, people are going to automatically start falling underneath you, which will start paying you. Now, at some point, your matrix, right, your network is going to fill up. And because you didn't do absolutely anything and you just relied on spillover, you're going to max out. The most you can make from doing nothing is $2,047.50. Now, if enough people join this opportunity, yes, this is very, very possible if you stick with the company for the long term. This is a reality. This can really happen. So some people hear this and they're like, oh, bullshit, this is a scam, right? Other people take it the other way and be like, oh shit, I can sign up and I can get $2,000 next week. No, right? It's more like in between those two, right? It's a reality to be able to earn this money, but I wouldn't sit there and put a timeline on it. So just understand, at the current rate that Live Good is growing, yes, you probably will start earning some money if you don't even recruit or sell anything or pretty much do nothing but keep your membership. But if you really on it like that, if you really a part of Live Good, you should at least promote it. Like, try to get the $25 commissions, because a lot of people are making money by getting those affiliate commissions, right? And actually being proactive with the company. Because think about it. If you're proactive, right? And maybe you only get, 10 to 20 members, you made some nice commissions, and you still are in the position to get spillover in time. So why not work the business opportunity? Why not maximize your earning potential? So that's what I tell people. If you see this opportunity and you just doing it for the $2,000, guess what? You can do that. You can join Live Good, but just know there is no time frame for you to get that $2,047.50, right? Just know if you're doing it, you're going to be paying your affiliate fee one time $40. And then every month you're going to pay $9.95 to maintain your Live Good membership. If you don't have a problem with that, and you do believe in Live Good, and you believe that Live Good is going to keep growing and that it's going to be around for years, hey, then I think you're in a very, very good position, right? So my last tip when it comes to Live Good, if you join Live Good, all right, plan on sticking with it for at least a year to 2 years. Just tell yourself that, right? You join Live Good, go into it knowing that no matter what, you're going to put in 1 to 2 years with this opportunity and see what happens. Now, if you haven't taken the Live Good tour yet, you can do it right now by clicking the link in the description. Oh yeah, because when it comes to Live Good, I'm in go mode.